Hey guys, in this video we will show you how to install our new product, the Cornhole board wraps. Just to be clear, the process that we are about to show you is not the same as the proprietary process that we use on the Cornhole boards that we sell on our website. We will be starting out with one of our blank DIY boards. First, pull down about a foot of the backing off of the decal. Line up the wrap to the top of the board and start to adhere it. Once the top is lined up and smoothed out, you can pull off the rest of the backing. Once the whole decal is adhered to the board, use one of our squeegees to flatten it down and remove any bubbles. Go over the whole board with a heat gun and continue to squeegee out any wrinkles or bubbles. Make sure to use the heat gun on the edges of the wrap as well. After everything is smoothed out, flip the board over and use an X-Acto knife to cut out a small circle in the hole of the board. Flip the board back over and heat up the decal around the hole using the heat gun. Tuck the decal in and under the hole. If there is any excess, you can cut it off with the X-Acto knife. Use the heat gun one last time on the hole to make sure everything is adhered properly. Next, we are going to cover the whole board with polyurethane or polyacrylic coating. This will keep the decal from peeling up and create a smooth playing surface. Make sure you coat the entire board, including the sides and hole. Let the poly coating dry and then enjoy your new board wrap.